Hi guys, good morning dito, good evening dyan. Uh, yeah, we're going to uh, shop for a dishwasher kasi 3 months nang nasira. 3 months nang sira ang aming dishwasher, ngayon pa lang nagbigay ng credit. And we have to wait patiently, hindi ka makapagsalita at baka mamaya ay hindi napalitan. So anyways, we're going to Home Depot where we bought the first one, and we're going to see what we can find. So let's go guys. Okay, today we're going to go dishwasher shopping because the insurance finally ay nagbigay na ng credit after 3 months of waiting. Nako, kung hindi nga lang nag-aalala kami na hindi palitan, kaya quiet na lang, hindi makapagsalita ng kung ano dahil baka mamaya i-discredit. So now finally they give the credit after 3 months. So we're going to Home Depot and get a new dishwasher. Today is Thursday morning, and yeah, I was not really feeling well, but si Lloyd din 3 days nang hindi maganda ang pakiramdam, so I waited for 3 days. Now ako naman ang masakit ang ulo, but it's okay, the show must go on kahit masakit ang ulo kasi chance na ring makalabas because laging nasa bahay. So at saka hindi ka pwedeng humindi dahil alam mo naman, we're in a military na kailangan kahit masamang pakiramdam mo, you have to be in attention. And pag sinabing forward march, hindi ka pwedeng mag-complain. You have to obey first before you complain. Lots of leaves. Okay, neighbors are raking the leaves, putting them in the brown bag. Yan, very nice tree color. Everything's nice. I missed it. Ayan, gaganda ng mga trees. But after they fall, ayan, tingnan nyo na. Pag naging lahat ganyan na, oh gosh, so depressing. Para silang mga patay na. But next year, all the leaves will come back again. Ayan, ganyan magiging itsura. Pag nawala na lahat ng leaves, they will look dead. Scary, like Halloween. We're here in this small plaza, but they have lots of big establishment here. Staples, Business Depot. We have Harvey's and Swiss Chalet there at the far end. There's Mr. Brick, and we have here Medical Center. We have Feed for Life, and we have the Only Bank here, RBC. And we're here on the beer store. He's going to return all the bottles and of course get some new ones. Okay, we're here now at Home Depot. Lunchtime. What is this? The wet dry. Okay, we're here at Home Depot. We're going to look. Where is it? Electric gas dryer. Okay. What are these? Where? Where? There? Oh, those are the dishwasher. Okay. That's all. Well, this is what we need. We should put a washer and dryer upstairs. Oh, this is what I want. Freestanding tub. Nice sink. So this is what we're going to get. Fingerprints resistance. It's going to be delivered on the 28th of November. Finally, we're going to have a dishwasher. May bayad na pala ngayon na install. You have to pay $176 for the install. Man, I feel like a woman. Done.